Everyone, so we are going to learn how we can use the EVENG. Already we learned how to install everything, that one finish. Now we are going to learn how to use EVENG. First you need to open this VMware workstation, double click this, and after some time you will see the VM will open like this. So whatever the EVENG name we give, we can give any name. Whatever name we give, that will be appear here. So you will go here. If you see, this is a power on this virtual machine. If you want to edit anything, we will click edit and we will do the edit. But no need to do anything now. But I will show you what setting I have in the edit. If I click edit, you can see I given how much RAM, like 34.3 GB RAM. Because I have 128 GB RAM, so I give this much. If you have 16 GB, you can give 8 GB or 6 GB like that. Or if you have 12 GB, you can give 8 GB. And this is a processor I give to, depend how many processor you have, you can give that one. And this is a hard disk, 60 GB by default they taken, so I keep like that only. But you need to remember, see here, sometime this option is unchecked. So if it is unchecked, you need to check. But if it is by default, it is checked, so no need to do anything. Just I am showing you what setting I have. If we go here, this is a hard disk, virtual hard disk, we will keep like this. Then this is a network adapter, so by default it will be here, it will be bridge, so we need to keep as a NAT. That's all. This is only the setting, no need to do anything. This is original setting we will have. Just what we will do, press OK, so it will be gone. Then when you want to do any lab in the EVENG, just open this VM. After that you will click this power on this virtual machine, click like this, power on this virtual machine. So virtual machine will power on and they will give you some IP. After getting the IP here, you need to go to the browser and type that IP in the browser. So if you see, we will get the IP now here. After, if you see, this is IP 192.168.45.128. So go to any browser and type this IP. So you can type like this, 192.168.45.128, okay, and press enter. And don't cancel this one. If you cancel this one, it will not work. You need to minimize this and you can maximize this browser. And here the username is admin, password is EVE, and keep this default. Username is admin. Let me repeat again. Username is admin, password is EVE. Click sign in. So you will be launched to the dashboard. You can go here. If any lab is open, just move your mouse here and close this lab. Then you will have in this place. Example, if you want to go out, I have some lab already here. So I will click this. So I will go out. So this is the main thing where I am here. Currently, when you install the new EVENG, you will have like this option. But this folder will be not there because brand new will not have this. I created this one. So example, if you want to create anything, you will go here in the folder name. First time you need to create. Example, if you are doing CCNA or anything. So CCNA you can write like this, and maybe you can add 2023 anything, or whatever you want, you give the name and click add folder. Click this option. When you click, you will get like this folder here. So this is a folder. Inside this folder you will archive your lab. All the lab will be present here. Just click this one, so you go inside that folder. If you want to come back, you click this one, you will be back. Go inside, clicking this one, again click the same thing, you will come back. So this way you will go inside, outside. So example, I want to create some lab. So I want to keep that lab in this folder. So later I can download, I can upload to another EVENG. We can do that way also. So just click this one, you go inside. Then this one, add a new lab. You need to click this one. Whenever we are doing new lab, you will click this one, add a new lab, and give here new lab. Example, I will say basic lab. So you will get the dashboard like this. Example, I want to close this. Just go here, close this. You will come back here. This is a basic lab. Example, if you want to open the same lab, this one, click here, open this one. So you will open same lab. Now I did not put any equipment here. Later I will put, just I am showing you. Example, I want to close this. Just go here, close this. And I want to go back. So click this, you will be back. Again I want to go inside. So click here, you will go inside. You want to create new lab. Click here add new lab, whatever name you want to give. Example, you can give anything, basic VLAN lab, something like this, and press, you have another lab. You are inside this one. If you want to go out, just click this close lab. So you have two lab here. Okay, this is a basic lab, this is basic VLAN lab. In case if you want to delete, click this and go here. When you keep your mouse, it will come, or you can go here and click this. Selected item will be deleted. Click like this, it will delete. Okay, but we will not delete, just you will create and you will do the lab. So you will do like this. If I want to open the same thing, then I want some device. If I want to use some router switches, right click. Okay, right click like this. You will have this option, add new object. Click note. If you see this grayed out, means this is like black color, what you can see here, that is grayed out. Grayed out means we don't have the device. Whatever this color is showing, this blue color something, that is present. Whatever is not showing the dark color, that is grayed out we are calling, that is we don't have that images. We need to load the images. So I have Arista image. If you go like this, you can see I have this IOL. If you have this one and this, that's enough for CCNA, CCNP. Okay, this is an access switch. We don't have in our syllabus, so no need to worry about this one. If you want to take router, you can take this one or this one, or here also you have the router. So first let's see this one. So I will click here. When you click, you will have this option here, how many router you need. Example, you need 2 router, 3 router, 4 router, how many router. So you will write 4 here. And what name you want to give. Example, if you want to give R, so you will write R here. And this is an icon. What icon you want to keep? This one only, or you want to change? Maybe you want to keep this big router icon. And 256 MB RAM is going to consume each router. Example, if you want to add the slot, in the slot you want to add the card. That is what we can say the interface. If you want to add more interface, excuse me, if you want to add the more interface, then you can click here and you can select this. Click here, select this if you want to add more interface. Okay, this is a setting. You see, this is the image name, how many we are using that one. This is the name what we want to give. This is the icon what we want to show, and I add some interface here. Then click save. So you will have the router. And once you power on this router, you cannot connect. In the EVNG, we have the professional edition, community edition. In professional edition, even the power is up for the router. If the power is up, router is running, you can connect. But here, what we can say, if the router is on, you cannot connect. If you see, it is showing connected, but it is not connected. If you refresh, see, it is not connected. So if we are using the community edition, we need to switch off the device like this. Then you can connect, it will work. If you see, I connect, now it is working. Even if I refresh, it is connected. So you can go for professional edition also, but it is going to take maybe $120 for every year. So better no need, because we are not doing that much high level. We are just learning CCNA, CCNP. So it is sufficient if we go for community edition also. That is up to guys who want to use, who don't want to use. But the advantage there is you can change the cable look. You can modify, some Docker will be free there, and also even if the device is running, you can connect the device. Here you need to switch off the device. Okay, so now example I will say here, like one more router I can keep like this. I will bring here, I will keep this one more here. So this way we can connect. Okay, and if you want to power on, click like this, it will power on. Right click, power on, start. Excuse me. Right click, start. Right click, start. One by one you can do like this, or if you want to do all together, click more action. Here you can see start all nodes, stop all nodes. So you can use this option. Example, I want to close the EVNG. How you will close? Directly you will go and click here like this. No, this is not correct way to close. So first you need to switch off this router. So you can switch off like this one by one if you want to close the EVNG, or you can go here and stop all the nodes and wait, check all should be grayed out. If you see all are grayed out here, means the color will change. After that, what you will do, you can close this browser if you want to close, and then you will go here and here click and put power off, and here say power off. This way you will switch off the EVNG, not like this directly cancelling. Now you can click here to cancel directly. So what we learn here, how we can power on the EVNG, how we can power off the EVNG, how we can take the images. Let me repeat again. See here, first you will open the VMware workstation, then you will click this power virtual machine. This machine will open. It will give you some IP address. After some time you need to type that IP address in the browser. Okay, let's see, we will get the IP now, and we don't cancel this one. If you cancel, EVNG will not work. Okay, this is the IP address. Take any browser and type that IP address. If you see, this is the IP address. Okay, because already I log in, so it automatically log in, but for you they will ask you username password. Just before they ask us, similar you will get. So now if you want to take the console of this device, how we can do? First, power on. If you want to start one by one, right click. You need to select the device, keep the mouse on the device and right click, start, or maybe you will say I want to start all together, then you can do this way, start all nodes. It will start all the routers or switches, whatever is present in this dashboard. After that, you will click one left click, you will have like this. I am using secure CRT, maybe you are using putty, so you will give putty prompt, you will click like this, so it will come similar way. Okay, same thing I will do for the second router. Click left, open, click left, open, click left, open. So I am using secure CRT. In that one I have some settings, so all the tabs will open this way. If you are using putty, maybe 4 putty will open to have the 4 router, but no issue, we can use anything. If you see here, you are getting here yes, no, so you can write no here in the R1, then you can go to R2, you can write no here, then go to R3, you can write here no here also. Same thing as we do for router in the packet tracer, similar thing. Router is same. If you use packet tracer, EVNG or GNS, everywhere router is same. Even if you are using the real router, all routers are same, but in the packet tracer some limitation we have, we cannot do some commands, and in the EVNG we can do most of the thing. So for that purpose we are using EVNG. GNS3 also you can use, but GNS3 is giving most of the time issue. You need to disable antivirus, disable firewall, so many issues, so I stopped that one. So it is good to use the EVNG. It is working perfectly. So I hope it is clear for you. After that you can do the configuration, whatever, like assigning the IP address, doing whatever stuff you want to do, you can do that one. Okay, so now let me show you how to switch off again. If you want to switch off, just go here and here go to more action, switch off all nodes and wait for some time. This all will be grayed out. Then go to the here and go here this option, and there is one command also, you can put some command here, so automatically it will switch off also. Because if you want, I will write here root, okay, then EVE, I am login now. There is one command, if you don't want to just switch off normally, you can write this command. Let me check, I did not remember that command. Something shutdown something command we have. So normal command something, shut minus all something, yeah, this one, this command we can use also. Save your work on lab node like Cisco router switches, WR for all the vendors, save, stop all the devices running. As a root user, SSH to EVNG and type this command. Now you are safe to power off. your PC. So this command if you use, this will also good. We can do that way also, which I shown you. Go here and click this, but it is not recommend. It is recommend to put the command. So click here in the screen, go here in the edit and save that command and press enter. Shutdown H now. So it will shut down now. Okay, we can wait some time, it will shut down, but most of the time we are using this option only. This is good, we can do easily. This is also safe. If you see this command also we can write. I think this command is not executed. Yeah, see, it is shut downing. So what command I use to shut down that machine? See, I shut down. So if you want to go with the EVNG method, you need to type this one. Where? Inside this one. When it is open, type that command. Let me put in the notepad somewhere so you can remember. Just you write shutdown, give space -h, and then give space right now. So same thing if we do from here or there, both are same. So this way we need to close properly. If you did not close properly like that, if you cancel, or you will here you will put something different option like hold, on hold, or maybe this suspend, later you will face the issue. So better use the proper method to power on and power off the EVENG. Okay, so let me